How to enable Google Play Protect in Google Play Store. Android device protected from harmful apps? This tutorial will show you how to enable Google Play Protect in the Google Play Store. First, open the Google Play Store app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. From the menu, select Play Protect. Here, you can check your device's app security status and manage Play Protect settings. Now tap on the Settings icon in the top right corner. Make sure the option Scan Apps with Play Protect is turned on. This allows Google Play Protect to automatically check apps for harmful activity. You can also enable Improve Harmful App Detection to help Google identify and protect users from potentially unsafe applications. Once enabled, Google Play Protect will regularly scan your installed apps and help keep your device safer from security threats. That's how you can easily enable Play Protect in the Google Play Store and improve your Android app security. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple Android tips and how-to guides. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our latest smartphone tutorials, settings guides, and helpful tricks. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.